In this video, we will discuss about narco analysis. We have already seen what is polygraph test, and now moving on to narco analysis. Narco analysis is another method used in the scientific investigation of a crime. So, what is narco analysis? Actually, this method is it's a test which is known as a truth serum test. Narco analysis is a form of psychotherapy and effective aid to scientific interrogation. This method is also, I already told you that the polygraph test is actually used to reduce the workload of investigating officer and aim to reduce aim to eliminate the third degree methods. Here also, the main aim of this also eliminate the third degree methods in investigation process. And so here in narco analysis test, a drug like sodium amytal is used as a truth drug on the suspect for the determination of facts about the crime. It is called amytal interview. And in the process, after administering a truth drug, a person's body turns into cozy. His or her features slacken and dull of acceleration, and a few grow to be silly and jiggly. The drug blocks the impulses that commonly pass through positive nerves, and maximum body parts fall asleep. That means a semi-conscious stage, which emerge later in disoriented semi-wakefulness. Under the effect of drugs, he or she turns incapable of telling a lie. That means their ability of reasoning is lost due to the effect of that drug, and he or she will always share any records that are asked of them. And legality. When we talk about legality, like polygraph test, this method also have some restrictions imposed by the law. And narco analysis consists a statement that is made by semi-conscious person and thus unable to determine the effect and extent of statement that he is making. And as such, just a confessions. They are not generally admissible in the courts. Narco analysis, just like other scientific techniques such as brain mapping and lie detector test, is a tool to get a person to incriminate himself during the course of a trial. These techniques thus violate the fundamental right guaranteed under Article 20, subclause 3, which states that no person who is accused of any offense shall be compelled to be a witness against himself, also referred to as the right against self-incrimination. So we can say that this method also have some restrictions, and this method also violates the fundamental right, Article 20, subclause 3. The right is right against self-incrimination. That means the person here actually what actually happened is that the person compelled to tell something against himself. And this method also some restrictions that we have to keep it in mind. And criticism level against this method. The accuracy of narco analysis is not 100%. And it has been found that certain subjects made totally false statements. That means even after giving these drugs, the person or the persons totally give false statements. And this test is considered an unscientific method used for investigation. And it is very tough to suggest an actual dosage of the drug for a particular man or woman, because it will vary from person to man or woman depending upon the intellectual attitude and other factors. And in some cases even it lead to coma or death of that person. So it is very dangerous also. And the main thing is this method actually violate the fundamental right of a person, the right against self-incrimination, explains in Article 20, subclause 3 of the Constitution. So this is about these are the things about narco analysis. And thank